Hey guys, welcome back to INSANEBRIT Gaming. I'm the INSANEBRIT, and today's unboxing is a hard drive case for well, your hard drive and SSDs. Now, basically, I bought this the Toshiba hard drive, and I put it on my shelf over there. But at the same time, I don't like the idea of someone knocking it over or whatever. It can accumulate dust. I mean, God knows, things can just happen in general in life. And I didn't want to put it on my desk because also it could get knocked over. It's kind of small, so I needed a place properly to protect it. You can buy ones on Amazon Basics, what they recommend, but I always get a little bit customary stuff, you know, a little bit of color in there, a little bit of zazz, a little bit themed. It is just the way I am. PC's bright and blue. My keyboard lights up, you know, various things like that. That's just the way I am. So pick whichever color you want, because they do have a range. It's called the DeleyCON hard drive case. HDD case for 2.5 hard drives and SSDs, robust and shock resistant as well. That's pretty cool. Two interior pockets, net pockets, black and blue is the one I've got specifically. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. But yeah, so I do offer a range, and it's only cost about £7, possibly I think 11 with post and packaging as well. So it's not all bad. So here is basically the product itself. It came in an Amazon package, but I just took that off beforehand anyway. So yeah, let's get it open. It shouldn't be too hard to open. Just plastic. This is a hard case one as well, so that's pretty cool. I didn't want something that's just basic, like, you know, soft material. It's hard case, so let's have a look. Sorry, I was just trying to. There we are. Here we go. So it's pretty big, just enough to protect you. It's got the DeleyCON, whatever it's written on there. It's got a zip as well. It seems to be some kind of plastic. I can just take that off. Right. Oh, and it's got like a clip here for putting it on your bag or whatever. So that's pretty cool. That's kind of handy. Yeah, it's not bad. So that's secure for your hard drive. I almost feel like I want to keep something else in here. Maybe, I mean, they may have similar things for like passports. I mean, I don't know. You can use it for a range of things. But yeah, so if you tap it, so it's pretty, you know, and it's going to touch your hard drive. It's not too. It's a little. You can push that in a little bit, but you're really pushing in there. You know, still force has to come down on it. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. But remember, it's just to protect it from general things, not being crushed by a car here. But anyway, so let's open up the inside of it. All right, so you can have inside there's two mesh pockets. So you can have two things in there specifically. So two hard drives, dare I say, or whatever. Or maybe one side for an SSD card or whatever. Or one, like I said, one's for the wires. And one's for the actual hard drive. So let's check it out. Let's put this in here. All right, that's nice. 2.5 inches. That's snug. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not. Sorry, that's the zip. And that's the other zip. God damn it. So it's not moving, basically. That's nice. It's cool. And then the other side, I'm going to put the wire. You can buy other wires. This wire ain't very long, but then again, there ain't a lot of space here like that. But you know, obviously you can fold the wires up a little bit, not too tight, but I'll just put it in like that, and that'll keep them secure. So there seems to be enough for the wire and maybe just one other cable or whatever. But yeah, so basically it's like that. That's how it end up. Zip that up nicely, and there you go. Not bad. I'm happy with that. It's kind of heavy-ish, but whatever. It's a small price to pay for protecting your hard drive. I'll keep it in that, so then I know where it always is. It looks nice and solid. I won't even lie. That laying around, you're not going to really forget that. Or at least I don't see you forgetting that. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. So I know that's nice, safe, and secure. So when I want to use that, I can pull it out, copy whatever I got, copy from my PC, and then basically, you know, I'm good to go. I'm happy with that. Solid product. Not really seeing anything wrong with it. There's no, yeah, I mean, people can stick stickers on it and stuff, I suppose, if they wanted to. I don't know. But it's nice and slick. I like it. Nice customary blue. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with that. And plus, you can put it on your bag or whatever you're going to attach that to. It's nice and secure. But then again, part of me feels like if someone were to see this and you're traveling, they can maybe easily unhook that depending on where it is. It's just pushing it. It's just a hook at the end of the day. But yeah, you know what I mean? So I don't know. But put that on your bag if you want. Personally, I would just put it inside the bag in a zipper anyway, just so I know that's separate and secure, and the USB ports and everything ain't going to get damaged with whatever else. You can even just fit documents in here, like maybe your passport, or maybe even your birth certificate and stuff like that. Anything that you may need that fits snugly in that, if you want to use it for that particular purpose. Just because you're not going to need your hard drive everywhere you go, but some people do. It is what it is. But I'm very happy with that. Very cool. I'm liking that. Looks nice and neat. Anyway, guys, that is the end of this unboxing. I'm loving that. Shockproof. I assume it's waterproof as well. If it's shockproof, I don't know. I'm not going to test it though. Trust me on that. But yeah, so I advise keeping it in something like that. This video is short and sweet. Check the link in the description below for this particular product. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Next week, I should have an unboxing of a tripod. I think I'll be having. Plus, there'll be 1 or 2 food reviews going up as well. Don't forget to check out my South Park playthrough, and Assassin's Creed is ongoing as well. And we'll switch over to a new playthrough as well. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Buy my merchandise or donate to me via PayPal. It's up to you. And it helps go towards things like this, you know what I mean? Simple things. About 11 quid overall. Don't forget to, check that out. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching.